So I was asked a number of times about how I should create a book. Should I consider one interior with different covers or not? So I thought of creating this detailed video explaining each and everything in detail. So yeah, here I am. Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Dubey, and if you're watching me for the very first time, thank you for taking the time out there and coming to my channel. In this channel I talk about KDP strategy and everything related to KDP. So if you're interested in making a passive income, you are highly welcome here, and you can watch the videos from scratch going to the playlist. It is available in both of the languages, Hindi as well as English. And if you're already supporting me from like quite a while, thank you so much, I truly appreciate it. So let's get into this directly. One interior, different cover. What is my answer? My answer is yes and no. How? Like, you might be like, Priyanka, you are confusing me. Yes, right, I'm confusing you, but I'm going to just give you all the details inside. So you can see that Shruti, Deepak, the great tens, and a lot of people were asking me this question, like, can we publish same interior with content with different cover page? It is possible, and I got few more with this, but I just got whatever I got to see first. So yeah, so I'm going to discuss three strategies right out there. The first one is black line journals, which we call journal, notebook, and so on. The second is low content books, and the third is medium content books. First, coming to the first one, that is black line journal. Black line journal are simply, as we know, these are plain line journal, which we also call notebook, right? If you haven't watched my notebook video, I have recorded a video explaining everything how I create my notebook. So if you're interested, go ahead in the description, and you will get the link to watch that video. If you want to download the interior of notebook, it is also available on my free shop, so you can go ahead and you can download it for free. And also I have given the cover inspiration, which you can take. Obviously you cannot copy it, you can just take the inspiration. Okay, so yeah, notebook. Notebook is something which we create in our initial days. Like when I was just starting out few months back, I was created appreciation gifts, like appreciation notebooks, like gag notebook, floral notebook, and so on. You can create a number of notebooks out there, right? And if you're starting out, obviously you should go for notebooks. So for this niche, my answer is yes. You can create as much as notebook with the same interior with different covers. Go ahead and use the niche and keyword strategies that I have discussed with you all, and start creating the books, right? You can create as many as you want. No one can stop it, because obviously the plain lined notebook looks everywhere the same. So you cannot be charged for any duplication or whatever it is. Okay, so the first one is shorted, that is black line journals. Now coming to our second part, that is low content books. Now getting one step ahead, low content books can be something such as graph papers, grid papers, something like log books, like mileage logbook, nanny logbook, um, a lot of are there, like uh, expenditure logbook, and so on, shopping logbook. There are a lot of logbooks you can create. So my answers for such kind of books, that is graph paper and logbooks, specifically for logbooks, I would say that yes or no. Like yes, how? Because you can target different audiences with the same keyword. Sorry, not same keyword, different target. You can target different audiences with different keywords. For example, let's suppose that you are going to create a book that is a baby logbook. I'm just taking an example, whatever is coming to my mind. Okay, now baby logbook can be for mother, baby logbook can be for nanny, baby logbook for can be for father, baby logbook can be for grandmother, because obviously a lot of times grandmothers also take care of the baby. um, a baby logbook can be also for babysitter, and so on. So you can see there are a lot of audiences which you can target with a same niche. So what I will do when I will be at your place, or what I suggest you to do is, you can just edit the interior a little bit more. How you will edit the interior I have already discussed. uh, you can just change the fonts, the font style you can change as well. You can change the colors, you can just use some other words in place of the words that is written in the interior, and you can just edit it, you can just play around with the interior, and then you can use it for different target audiences. Also, if you are creating a sports book, like if you are creating something for athletics, if you are creating something for any like basketball, volleyball, whatever it is, you can also use the same interior, but do not forget to do the editing part. And then you can target different sports, right? So in this way you can target a lot of people with the same interior, just with a different editing, just a little editing. The third is also you can target logbooks, for example, a mileage logbook or gas logbook. In such case you can target drivers, you can target father, you can target lorry driver, and so on. So obviously you can target a lot of people. So I hope you're getting the thing that I'm trying to explain. So this is how you can do your low content books. Now coming to the third part, that is medium content books. Medium content books are those books which are a little bit above, or little bit more complicated, I would say, than low content and black line journals. And these are something called coloring book, and puzzles, and crosswords, word searches, and these are the things which comes into the medium content books. So I completely understand that when we do a coloring book, it requires a lot of patience, a lot of hard work when we create them, and obviously we want to sell it more. But what I have seen people, and I have seen a lot, uh, like a lot on Amazon, that people, what people do is they create a book and they just bombard the Amazon with different covers, like spammy, like a lot of nonsense over there. Okay, and why they're doing it, the intention of them is just that somewhere a book is going to get some sales, is might going to get me some money. And I completely understand, but they do not realize that you are just spamming the whole system. And once you will be find out, obviously your account is going to be banned. So in this area, what I will say, what is my answer is, I will say no. Why? Because obviously, let's suppose that you have created a coloring book, and then you are just going ahead and you have created 50 of the coloring books with the same interior and different covers. Now let's suppose that I am your customer, and somehow I liked one of your books by the cover, and I purchased it and I enjoyed coloring it. And then I just thought of gifting someone, or I just thought of taking some another book from Amazon from your brand only. So I will go ahead and I will just purchase another book. I am just hoping that I will get a brand new coloring book, and when I will get the parcel, when I will open it, I will get the same interior. So obviously this is going to piss me off, right? So in that sense, what I will do, if I am somewhat more concerned about my things, I will go ahead and I will just give you a bad review, first thing. And the second thing is that if I have to take one step forward, also I will go ahead and I will complain it to Amazon, and saying that this is a duplicate product that this person is selling out on Amazon. And obviously they are going to take some strict action against you, which you do not want, right? So you do not want to do that. I have seen a lot of people doing some review shit as well, like they are going to purchase reviews from people. And believe me, you cannot hack the system, because if you want to hack the system, you are always going to get uh, caught up, and there will be harsh consequences of it. So we do not want that. So what I said is, For the blackline journals, yes, you can create as many covers as you want. Low content books, I would say yes, but target different people and just do the editing as well. And for the coloring books, I would say no, like just do the genuine business with Amazon, and it is going to pay you for a longer period of time. So yes, that's all for the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know in the comment section below. Just subscribe it, share it with your friends, because I want more and more people to work hard and get their passive income done. So yeah, that's all for the day, and I will see you in the next video.